I take immense pleasure to welcome Ms. Sampada Pachauri ma'am, the Director of Student Development Programs of IUCWE. She is the postgraduate in VLSI Design from IIT Delhi and a great enthusiast in leading multiple design teams. She is the person who understands the issues deep-rooted in the engineering education system and works closely with the student community to achieve their goals. She also believes in interconnection among people. One can be happy when all others are happy. So once again, I welcome ma'am to replenish the student minds with her words. Please, ma'am.
Thank you so much. And I want to congratulate you all first. That's the first thing I want to do because you have done a brilliant task of creating IKSC as a model student chapter, which I should uh, showcase to all the other student chapters. And I invite you all to attend the next monthly meeting. And I think we should define in the agenda where you should be showcasing everything that you just did to us. Other student chapters will greatly learn and benefit as to what you have done and how they can improve. I had already seen the recruitment program statistics and they were brilliant. The way you had carefully defined the various phases and how you arrived at a number of 41 out of 303 itself speaks volumes about the effort that went into it and the details you must have gone into while shortlisting all 303 applications. So that speaks remarkably well of you. And this establishes another example for other student chapters for them to follow how to grow, how to expand, how to recruit. Um, Definitely the amount of details you have gone into and the way you have carefully organized your student chapter with various departments, having leads, having co-leads, having various team members, making sure that all the umbrella of activities get covered under those departments, and then obviously keeping room for expansion among them. This is something which people in industry who are getting paid a very high salary, who have skills to do this, they take months to do this, what you have done. This is brilliant. The entire team of IKSC, I want to congratulate you for this effort which you have made and the specific finesse with which you have executed these departments, carefully thinking that your student chapter should benefit each and every person who becomes part of it. So this is very, very well done. You have already shown great leadership skills as a result of doing this. And I believe most of the student members who you have selected will come into this wave of what you're doing, and a lot of your skills will rub off into them. And they will also, you will basically create more and more leaders who come in touch with you, who work with you. And that's a very special quality which anybody should possess. And it's very rare also because most people normally think about their own growth and a very limited scope of growth. But I can see that you have a very well expanded growth phenomena happening here. And which is why I think in the next monthly meeting, you should speak this all loud to other student chapters, they should hear. And I'm kind of feeling that in the student leaderboard, IKSC will actually take the diamond medal because you're already reaching in the excellence. So you will not settle below diamond. I think that's my forecast. So come 1st September, I think we'll see IKSC in wearing a diamond medal, and all my support, of course, to do that, to make it happen. But that's amazing. And I did want to show one slide, and I think now it makes sense if I just share that one slide, because what you have done is exactly what this slide talks about. You see it here?
Yes, I'll stop my share.
So companies are thinking like this, right? Companies, they are talking about investing in human capital. now more than actually infrastructures. Because of COVID, people have understood it is not fun to make big buildings anymore and create big structures, and so they are investing more and more in human capital, and it will happen more now. And if you notice, see what all you have done, you can map into those skills right here. So we talk about creative class. You have a team which is working on creativity, which is that the whole idea of creating this chapter from zero is creative skill that you have demonstrated. You have a team which is going to work on project management. That's where the problem solvers, inventors, and innovators will probably flourish. And of course, designers, curators, and architects will flourish there. What you have done is planning and policy making, organizational development and management. Maybe we can talk more about ethical regulations and environmental regulations, which you can definitely bring in if you wish to. We are talking about these things in our projects, so this can be further enhanced. What you are doing, you can easily take it to the level where you start thinking about how to get funds for your chapter, how to utilize them into the projects that your chapter does, and how to make money out of it and eventually land into incubations, which is anyway our objective, if you remember. So we will head into all those areas. And the fact that you have a great diversity of various departments already, 7 of your departments, and of course, if all 13 become coordinators, then you have a good coverage of all departments. So that makes it interdisciplinary as well. So I'm very, very delighted to see what you have done and where you seem to be headed. And I extend my best wishes to all of you. Brilliant work done. Congratulations. And I'm sure it must be possible only because you have your leadership team supporting you throughout. This cannot be done unless your faculty guides, your advisors, your deans, directors, and vice chancellors are helping you, supporting you, and encouraging you all the way. So I really want to congratulate the entire leadership team, Nagraj sir, Devraj sir, Naresh sir, Rajaram sir, all of you have stood brilliantly along with your students, and look where they have come. Amazing. Good job done.